Doug Ford does not understand basic economics and is not a serious person. Let me explain. Doug Ford has been yelling from the high heavens for months now that the Bank of Canada needs to continue to cut rates and cut them even faster, even though we've been cutting rates faster and earlier than all other G7 nations. And the reason that we're able to do that is because Canada is set to lead the G7 in growth next year. Thanks, Trudeau. But here's where Ford's lack of education comes to fruition. Interest rates go up when inflation is high. Inflation is high when there is more dollars buying the same amount of goods. At least that's how conservatives like to explain it. So then why is the guy who is screaming about interest rates being too high causing inflation by putting $3 billion into the economy by giving every single person in Ontario $200? That is literally the most inflationary action that a government can take, especially when there's no costing mechanism to offset that money. And I know some people are like, oh, this is just conservatives talking out of both sides of their mouth. No. Doug Ford is not intelligent. He has no idea what causes inflation. He has no idea why we raise or lower interest rates. Doug Ford is not fit to be premier because Doug Ford is not fit to even read an article about economics. If he can read it at all, which honestly at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if he can't. Doug Ford is not fit to lead this province. He is unserious, corrupt, and has absolutely no idea what he's doing.